On the 25th of June, 2024, Florida State Police received a call reporting an altercation. A woman was accused of assaulting her mother and brother. But what was the truth behind these allegations? Let's follow the police as they investigate.
What happened? What happened?
So basically, my mother and sister got into an argument. We were coming from the beach, and it got heated, of course. So we pulled over. My mother instructed my sister to exit the vehicle, which my mother got out from the driver's side and went around to open the door, and that's when my sister locked it. And then she turned the car off. So my mother went back on the driver's side to unlock the door on her side, and that's when my sister attacked her.
Define attack.
Punching her, pulling her hair, kicking her. So I came up in the driver's seat behind my mother to just separate it, and that's when my sister started attacking me.
Oh, she got you?
Yeah, just a little couple nicks, nothing major.
Why was she upset about you?
Just because I was trying to break it up,
Okay.
And so it was just.
So did she attack you, or were you just in the process of getting in the middle of it?
She attacked me right after.
Why was she? Your mom said that she was picking on you or bullying you before it stopped.
At the beach, she was on the phone with some of our family members, just kind of acting out, just talking about me and my brother, in a joking way, I guess, but
clowning.
But it was disrespectful. So that's when it kind of got more heated when we got in the vehicle, and we were coming down, and that's apparently this is where the situation landed.
Okay. Wait here.
No problem.
When police questioned the brother, a direct witness, and the 911 caller, they quickly reconstructed the tense situation inside the car. He confirmed that the conflict had been simmering before the beach trip, and as the family left the beach, the constant insults escalated into a tense atmosphere. Notably, he described the altercation as occurring in a confined space, forcing him to intervene between the two sides. This detail led police to question whether it was self-defense or an initial attack masked by the chaos. From there, the investigation shifted to cross-referencing statements before questioning the mother, the key figure in the entire incident.
211.
Are you 10-2?
Yes, I am.
10-4.
Is someone
But you have received another call.
from the other half?
It was from the brother this time.
I'm 1025 with him. What's your name?
Daphne Pond.
What's going on?
What did you just tell me?
No, I need to hear your side of the story. That's why.
She attacked me.
Okay, I'll preface this situation. I don't know you. I don't know him. So when you're going to tell me a story, if you could please start from the beginning, middle, end.
I don't remember everything because I'm upset. Like I said, she attacked me. I want her out of my truck.
Okay.
There's no other way around it. That's my truck. I want her out.
Those are things that are obvious, but I need to know what happened because I need to document these things.
I just told you she attacked me. I don't remember the whole story because I'm upset. If he told you the whole story, then he wasn't in a situation, so he could tell it better than me, and he told you that.
Okay.
You called him back there. You didn't call me. And
I'm sorry?
You called him back there. You didn't call me.
I have to talk to everybody. Does that make sense?
I guess so.
Okay. So if I just put on a report, you got attacked, it'd look like a 5-year-old wrote that report, wouldn't it?
I don't know.
It would. It would. So that's why I'm asking an adult if you can walk me through what happened so I can document this incident.
We had a disagreement. She was cussing me and disrespecting me. I pulled the truck over and I told her, if you keep on disrespecting me, you're going to get up out of here.
Okay.
She kept on. I went to reach over the seat. She pulls my hair. I got hair pieces everywhere. She pulls my hair and attacked me. Of course, I was holding her and I just pulled my hand back to let her attack me. And I said, you know what? I'm just going to press charges because I'm not trying to fight you. I just want you out my truck. That's it. Because I'm tired of the disrespect. And she's my daughter. He's my son and my other son. I was trying to have a family day with them, but apparently it wasn't going to work with her. She started at the place with the disrespect and talking about her brother. She kept going with it. I'm being called bitches and all this. How am I going to be your mother and being called bitches in my vehicle and think I'm going to continue to take you to my house?
Right.
So that's why I pulled over and said, you got to get up out of here.
Okay.
And I'm done with that because I'm tired.
Yeah.
And that's all I'm saying, sir. No disrespect, and I'm very upset because I'm tired.
I understand. I understand. I just wanted to make sure I get so your son said you got out of the car to open her door?
Yes, and she locked the door.
Okay.
To keep me from opening the door, so I went which is reaching over her. And because I'm reaching over her, she automatically think I was gonna attack her, I guess, and that's when she got to hit me, kicking me, and pulling my locks and stuff. And I didn't even put my hands on. I was pushing her back because she was hitting me in my face. And I said, you know what? I'm not even gonna hit you. And I did. She proceeded to pull my hair. My son's trying to pull me off of her, trying to take her hands out of my head.
Right.
She started to hit him. So therefore, no, it wasn't no trying to reason with her. That's the problem.
I understand.
You can't communicate with mouth with her because she take it too far. Now, if it could have been an argument and we could have just been like, hey, just leave it alone. You can't do that with her. This is why the situation escalated, because she put her hands on me.
Right. I got you. What's her name?
Sylvia Bird.
Sylvia. Okay.
Yes.
Can you wait here?
Yes.
Do you have your ID card with you?
It's in the truck.
Okay. I'll have you get it in just a second.
1040 back on the 1031.
Hello, my name's Deputy Haddix. Hey, what happened?
Well, we were at the beach and we were having fun, so I thought. But because she always tried to isolate me with her sons, I'm gonna say her sons, which is my brothers. I thought we were having fun. You get what I'm saying? So I was making a joke. She was like getting mad, and I just made a joke, and I was like, "Do that with your sons." You get what I'm saying? Because she always like getting upset with me, and she was like, "You a messy asshole. You a messy ass bitch. That's why nobody like to be around you." And I was like, "I'm not being messy. I was just trying to lighten the situation so we wouldn't be upset with each other because I didn't think I said anything hurtful." You get what I'm saying? I tried to respect her to my best ability because that's what I do. But when she talks to me, she called me and hoes. She done told me to my face I had AIDS and everything else. You get what I'm saying? So we get in the car, we going back and forth, and she's like, "You about to get out the car?" And I was like, "Well, I'll get out the car when you take me back to where I was," which I've been more than 30 days there. You get what I'm saying? And then I can get out, but don't leave me stranded out here with my baby. I have a 1-year-old in the back. You get what I'm saying? She was like, no, you about to get out of my car. You about to get out of my car, blah, blah, blah. So she gets in on this side, and then she comes over and she attacks me first.
How did she attack you? Everyone's using that word attack.
She started hitting me. She gets in the car and then she leaned over and she started hitting me to try to make me get out the car. And I'm like, I'll get out, but I'm gonna get out where I'm familiar with. You get what I'm saying? So she started hitting me. So she started.
Dee.
So she started hitting me.
I attacked her.
It is the truth because she started hitting me, and me being the only one here against all three of them together, I started to protect myself.
Ma'am, she did not interrupt you at one time when you told your story. So please just give us a minute to let her give her example. I understand what you're saying, but please let me conduct my investigation.
So then I feel like I'm being bombarded by 3 people against me. Because it's always have been that way with her. Because
Did she try to open the door?
No, she did not. She did get out the car to try to get me out, but when she came back around, she got in and she started hitting me. So I started hitting her back because I don't want my face being all bruised. And
do you have any injuries, or you said she hit you?
She hit me in my eye.
Okay, there's not even any redness or anything, but go ahead.
So I started hitting her back, and then her son, which is my youngest brother, he gets in the car and he tried to get us off each other, and we still hitting each other. And then once he get her off, he started hitting me. We start hitting each other.
So say that part again.
Once he get her off, he started putting his hands on me. So I started hitting him back. So they both basically did it together. And then once they get out, she was like, "I'm going to call the police. I'm going to have you back in jail and this and that and blah, blah, blah." I'm like, well, why would I need to go to jail for protecting myself? This is Florida. This is stand your ground law. So if somebody's attacking me and I feel like I'm in fear of my life against 3 people that's against me, well, 2 people because he didn't do anything, but 2 people that's against me, then what am I to do?
You got a 1-year-old and there's 4 of you. Your mom, your big brother, and him and you. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Go ahead.
Brother right there.
I got it.
So then once she gets done, she calls the police, and I'm like, I don't get what's the point of calling the police when she put her hands on me first. They both put their hands on me first.
You have an ID card?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. You close this door.
Okay.
Why are you sending her in my truck? I want her out my truck.
I have to conduct my investigation.
Can she get sent out the truck?
I have to do a report. That I have to. No one's going anywhere right now. So until I can get this stuff taken care of.
She's not going in my truck at all.
Again, we haven't got to the conclusion of this investigation. So please bear with me. If you can get your ID card, that'd be grateful. Now, she said, your sister said that when your mom didn't reach over, she just started hitting her before she got her out of the car. Does that ring a bell or anything?
No, she started. My mother reached over to unlock the door, and she grabbed her hair and started attacking her.
Okay.
That's what happened.
Okay. And she said, your sister said that when you were trying to break it up, then you started attacking her.
No. I saw her trying to break it up, and she attacked me.
Okay. Define attacking. How did she put her hands on you?
So she was putting her foot up to my throat.
From the front seat?
From the front seat. So I was behind my mother within the driver's seat. And so she had her foot to where she was pressing it up.
Thank you.
And my head was like near the ceiling, you know, and she kept like...
From the front seat, she had her foot going across to the back seat?
No, this is all like, she was in the passenger seat and I was in the front seat. So it was like right across.
Oh, you were in the front seat?
Yeah, behind my mother trying to like pull her off, you know. And that's when she started attacking me as well.
Okay. Do you have an ID card?
It's going right there.
Yeah, he said he showed him.
Do you have an ID card?
Yes.
I ain't trying to press no charge. That's just one out of my truck.
All right. Can you hang out front with your mom?
I got you.
These two are, the stories are consistent with the daughter putting hands on them. The only one that's got a injury is the brother Scratch. But the daughter doesn't have any injuries on it, but the daughter's got a 1-year-old in the car. So either daughter's got, I'm going to 10-15 the daughter, but she's going to have to be okay with either we have to get DCF out here if she don't want the mother to take the daughter.
I can write all that down for you.
Can I get you to step a little closer? That's your grandson and the grandbaby in the car? Would you be okay taking the baby? Because I'm taking her to jail. So you're okay with that?
Yeah.
Okay, now if she refuses to leave the child with you, we'll have to go have a DCF counselor come out here and
But why y'all taking her to jail?
in the state of Florida, anything that's domestic violence, it doesn't matter if anybody wants to press charges, the state picks up the charges. So being that it's a battery and it's corroborated by 2 different people for the same attack, she's got to go to jail.
Well, I don't want to see her locked up.
That's yeah. Can I get you to step out, please?
Sure.
Do you have shoes?
No.
You have no shoes?
No, not right now.
Okay. I got to take you.
You gotta take me in?
Yes, ma'am.
What did I do?
Based on the corroborating stories of between your brother and your sister, there's battery, domestic violence, because that's your mother. Now, I'm going to ask you this question. Are you okay with your mother watching the child, or do you want me to call DCF to have them come pick the child up?
Well, however you want to do it.
It's not my child. I have to ask you that question. If you're okay with the child being with your mother.
My child don't have anybody else to be with.
But would you like me to get the Department of Children and Families involved?
I don't, but I would rather.
But if you, you only have 2 choices. Either I can have the Department of Children and Family come out and take your child for custody purposes until you can get out, or are you okay with your child being left with your mother?
Can I get my phone?
Hang on. I'll get your phone with you. But are you okay with the child being left with your mother? Or your brother? Hold on.
Yeah, please.
Have someone come get her?
Yeah.
Who?
She can call him to come
Call
get
who?
him. Yeah.
Call who?
She knows who to call.
Okay. Yeah, you can go ahead and call them. Have them come over. No.
I just feel like that's messed up.
I understand.
I'm always the only person to get arrested for something.
Speaking. This
So I'm supposed to let her hit on me and stuff?
No. I'm not saying that. I'm not trying to reach over. I'm trying to get this thing. There we go. Okay.
That's crazy.
Hang on. Me to you, it's called objection handling. It's called when someone is running their mouth. I'm not saying you, anybody, and if it's getting escalated, just let it go.
But she put her hands on me.
But again, both of them had stated that they had tried to unlock a door to get you
They
out.
both jumped on me, and you know that's the truth, though.
I don't know that. I don't know
Yes,
either.
you
I don't know
do.
anybody here. I don't know anybody here. All I know is two
You're
people.
just doing that because you ran my name and you know I'm on probation.
No. I have two people saying the same story. That is the reason why I'm telling you. That is the reason why I put you in cuffs and I got to take you to jail for domestic violence.
That's messed up. I didn't do nothing
Okay.
for that lady.
Did you make the call to the person to come pick the child up?
He's way in South Carolina. He would have to come like
South. I don't know why she would suggest that someone from out of state come and get your child. So that person's in South Carolina. I'm not staying here till he comes down to pick the child up. So would you rather I have Department of Children and Family? Hang on. I've got to make this to get you out of them cuffs sooner. I'm gonna need someone to come take care of the child. So either you'd like me to have Department of Children and Family come hold the child.
None of them people.
So again, I need an answer from you, one or the other.
My husband to come and get her.
Is your husband in South Carolina?
Yes.
So who's gonna? So
My husband.
I
That's
understand.
the best way I can answer the question you asked me. I only have two options.
Okay. I'm assuming you're an adult, that's irrelevant.
My husband.
That's the third time you told me. I heard you the first time. The point of the matter is, he's out of state. Is that correct?
Yeah, he can come.
Right. So how long do you think it's going to take him to get down here?
It's not going to take.
Do you think I'm going to stand here and wait? No.
Why would they need that for my son, though?
That is your child, right?
Do what you want to do, sir.
I'm not doing. I've asked you 5 times. Now he can come down and get your child, but in the meantime, is your child okay being in your mother's custody until he comes down and get him?
I just said that. I said
Okay.
that my husband's going to come.
Right, no, you come here.
Yes.
Right to this site.
Yes. I mean, wherever site they want to be
Okay,
on.
so your mom will take your child home. Your husband will come get
You
your
have
child.
to ask her that.
Okay.
268.
To bring you up to speed, being that that's your sister, that's your mom, based on the story that you both had explained to me, your statements, she put hands on you. I'm going to get some pictures of your injuries. It's considered domestic violence. So based on both of your stories matching, she's got to go to jail. Whether anybody wants to press charges or not, the state picks up the charges because it's domestic violence. So in the future, if you don't want someone to go to jail, you know, before it gets to the point where people are putting hands on, just pull the car over and get out, take the keys, call us, we can de-escalate it sooner. Your mom said she didn't want to press charges, but it's out of my hands. Once she makes the statement, and you made the statement that she put hands on you, I have to act.
I get it.
Okay. Again, I'll get pictures of your injuries. That's why she's going to jail.
She has been charged with assault and domestic violence. What are your thoughts on this case? Please leave a comment below.